This video is to help you log into ThinkCentral. The easiest way to do it is to go to your 4th grade Devers Dolphin page. You want to scroll down and you want to click ThinkCentral. Now the things to look at and check to make sure it's working, make sure it says Dodea, America's Mid-Atlantic, Devers Elementary. Once you type those in, then you want to click Remember My School. Now down here, you need to put your whole email. Now your password is for student with the exclamation point. If that does, and then you hit log in. The S is capitalized in student, and I will share that password in a link. But I need you to try it, and if you can't get in, let me know if you've followed all of these steps.